Just a reminder that all proceeds from our YouTube channel are donated to charity. Please help us help others by giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to our channel. Your support makes a difference. Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're at one of our favorite locations in the world, Blowing Rock, North Carolina. And as you can see, it is a lovely day here today. Blowing Rock is a charming town located in the Blue Ridge Mountains, or the high country of North Carolina. Over the course of several videos, we will tour some of the rooms at this new location, tour the restaurant with you, along with showing you menus and some of what we've eaten, let you know what we think the hits and misses are of this new hotel and restaurant, answer our subscribers' questions, and of course, all the time, give you some tips. So let's get to it. The next in our series of videos will be a walkthrough of a Deluxe King room, room 321 at the Embers Hotel. Room 321 is a Deluxe King room at the end of the hallway on the top floor of the hotel. Because of its location and layout of the room, it is very private from the hallway. First, let's give you an overview walkthrough of the room, and then we'll give you details of each area. As you enter, the bathroom is on the right, with a full-length mirror opposite. Around the corner from the bathroom is your closet and storage area, a king-size bed, and a large, flat-screen smart television and a desk at the foot of the bed, with a leather swivel chair in the corner. Around the corner from the bed is a very unique feature of this room at the end of the hallway, the nook. This chaise and a half is unique to this room, with a view of Main Street Blowing Rock out the window behind it. And on the back side of the room is the balcony for two. And we'll come back to this in a little bit. First, let's take a look at the storage area. Every king room has a similar area like this, with really only slight variations. Here you'll find these hooks made of stones that really reflect the local environment of the North Carolina high country, and we just love these. You'll find your Ely Nespresso maker, and below that Nespresso maker are drawers, a shelf, and a cubby to put whatever you may want to grab for your days out exploring. The well-lit closet is against the wall with a single rolling barn door, and inside you'll find a shelf with an extra blanket and a clothes steamer and your robes. Each side of the bed has a shelf like we've seen in many contemporary hotels or in Europe, and not a nightstand. There are USB-A, USB-C, and US outlets on each side of the bed for your convenience, and each side of the bed has its own separately operated light. At the foot of the bed is a desk. The smart television is on a swivel and has streaming and cable available. Below the television are Ethernet, USB-A, USB-C, US, and HDMI outlets. There are two drawers at the desk. The top is a pull-out refrigerator, and it's not a minibar, and this refrigerator is large enough for beverages and food items. A bottle of wine will fit in here. In the drawer below that is a large safe. And this safe is definitely large enough to accommodate a full-size laptop, tablets, phones, and any other valuables you may have. The balcony is probably one of the reasons why this room is considered a Deluxe King room and not a Premium King room. It's all about the location of the balcony, right? This does not face the main area of Blowing Rock and faces the back side of the hotel. Because you are on the end of the hotel, however, you do have a partial view of Main Street. On the balcony are two rocking chairs and an occasional table. And as you can see, Blowing Rock weather can be incredible to enjoy while you're on this balcony. Privacy in the bathroom is assured via a rolling barn door. The bathroom is well lit with one sink and a large granite countertop. There is a lighted magnifying mirror in every bathroom, including this one. The fixtures throughout the bathroom are oil rub bronze, and the shower itself is lovely with a rain shower head as well as a handheld option. And if you've watched our channel, you definitely know that we do not like shower curtains, and we love the shower doors on this shower. Honestly, we love the floors and the entries to these showers as much as we love the shower design itself. Toiletries are by Grown Alchemist, developed in Australia, but we know is a New York Fashion Week favorite. Our opinion is that this is a lovely room for the cost. Rates for a deluxe king room start at $220 per night at the time we're filming this video. For this room with the nook, you're getting an extra chaise and a half and privacy from being at the end of the hall. There are only 2 nook rooms at the Embers, so if this room interests you, our advice is to call and request this room. We'll put the phone number to the Embers Hotel in the notes below. While we can't guarantee that you'll get this room, it doesn't hurt to ask for it. The staff at the Embers are so nice, and hopefully they'll do what they can to get it for you. There are a couple things lacking in this room, like nightstands and the view from the balcony, and if this is a deal breaker for you, you might want to consider another room. Check out our other videos of this lovely hotel for more ideas and detailed walkthroughs of different types of rooms. We love this location because it is so central to the things we like to do in the North Carolina high country. And the last thing that we really love about this hotel, and we'll get to this in more detail in future videos, is that it has a restaurant on site. And it's a restaurant that we have truly enjoyed. Well, that's it for now. Look for tours of other rooms at this new hotel, a review of our dining experiences, our opinion on the hits and misses with some tips, and then we'll get to our subscribers' questions. So please give us a thumbs up or subscribe, and remember that we donate all profits from social media to charity. And always remember to make meaningful and healthy travel happen, and we'll see you next time.